In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Beetle key fob. This is a quick and easy process. It'll take you under 5 minutes to do, and all you'll need is a CR2032 battery and a regular flathead screwdriver. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, go check out that first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. Now, the first step here is to find on the side of the key fob this opening. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it in there, and just give it a twist. And it will start to open up. You can just pull it apart. And now carefully remove the circuit board. You can just kind of dump it out and then set it down. And now we can come over here and work on the battery. So right here, where is it? There's a little space on the side. And just try to get under the battery with the corner of your flathead screwdriver. And just gently lift the battery up and remove your old battery. And when you're putting in your new CR2032 battery, make sure that the positive side is facing down. And just want to show you really quickly, because sometimes this metal component can fall out. Happened to me earlier. So if that is the case, what you want to do is find this part with this little curved piece of metal sticking up. That's going to be facing up, and you're just going to drop this right. There's actually an outline of how this shape is, you can see. And there's this little peg. You're just going to match the the hole in the middle of this piece of metal with that plastic peg there. And you just push it down into place, just like that. And so when you're putting your battery in, you'll set it right on top of there and push it down, positive side down. Go ahead and carefully grab the circuit board, and you want to find the circle on the back here. You can see there's the battery, the CR2032, that's going to go directly on top of the battery. So just set that on top, and then you can just click the two halves back together. Give it a squeeze, and with that, you are all set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just give this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, we have you covered here on this channel with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get all this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.